Hey, hello everyone. This is um, this is offensive kernel here, and in this today's video, we are gonna talk about how to install um, Windows 10 in Promox. So here you can see that I'm using Promox on my particular IP, and we can install install Windows 10 in Promox. So without any further ado, let's get started with the live stream. And what you have to do before installing Promox is you should have Windows 10 ISO image from the Windows 10 Microsoft Office. From Microsoft Office, you should get the download tool now, and you have to download this tool. After that, create the ISO image and download that ISO image from this tool, and it will be official from Microsoft Office. You can get it, or any of the other, you have the Windows 10 ISO image, then it will perform best. But what I have did is I have downloaded the ISO on my desktop, so I'm gonna use that ISO. And what I have did, that I have uploaded that ISO here with the upload option, and selected that image of the Windows 10, and I have uploaded it. And it will take time depending on the network type connection you have. I will prefer to use the LAN connection with the Ethernet. And here you can see I am now having the windows.iso in local at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again click on add, and which is, then after that, create VM. Here the node is selected as add, so add is my node in my data center. So now the VM ID, you can specify any of the VM ID. It totally depends on you, but it shouldn't enter the number, shouldn't be existing with another virtual machines. So keep in mind, and it should be okay, just leave it for now. And now enter the name of the machine, like Windows 10. I will write it in shortcut, Windows 10. So after that, you can go in advanced, but nothing to change much. Next, now the CD and the DVD, here will be the location of where you have saved that Windows as so. So I have selected the local, which is the storage drive, and here is the windows.iso. Next, and you can also use the physical CD drive, and you can opt for not to attach any media, but after that you can attach it later. And here you have to select Microsoft Windows as a guest operating system and the versions. So it is having the 2019 version, so it will be as a default. Next, the graphic card, if you have dedicated, you can select it. Next, the it should be ID or SATA. I will select SATA 1, and after that the storage means where the on which hard drive the Windows 10 should be get stored. I will use the 4600 1 TB. The storage I will give is 80 GB. It will be on GB. So format, you can use any of the format. I will use VMDK version of VMware image format. And after that I will do next. CPU, if you are having Xeon servers, and you have 2 or 4 sockets, then you can use here and use many as per the requirements cores. I am having 1 socket of tier 4, and core I will give it here 6. Next, the amount of RAM, I will give you 4 GB. Um, but I think as per my requirement, 4 GB will be not be enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna calculate 8 into 1024, and the amount is 8192. So you can see the calculation I did here, 8 into 1024. 1024 is the amount for 1 GB. It's the MB. It's in MB. So 8 into 1024. So I get 8192. And 8192 is in MB. And if we say in GB, then it's 8 GB. So it means that I'm giving 8 GB to the virtual machine. Next, so here is the network and it's in bridge network. You can see if you do not want to attach the network device, if you you want that while installation the Windows should not get updated and it will take time to get updated. So if you don't want it, you can off for no network devices, and after the installation we can off for like adding the network devices. You can add it. I will show you how to add it. For now, what I will do is I will go for the updates. Next, confirm, yes, and finish. After that, it will get created. Just wait for it. And now it has been created. Go for console and just start, and it will start the installation process. I will be going for 64-bit option. Let me yes. Now we can install. It is like loading files. I've given it 6 scores, but let's see how it performs. Like I might be changing it to 8 because Windows 10 need it a lot. Give it some time to load the files. And here is the Windows logo. And there she is. The language to install, time and format you know better. Install now. I don't have a product key. I'm going to install the Pro variant. Accept the terms, customs, and here is our disk. Next, apply OK. I'm going to make one partition only. This is the reserve system. You can't install in that. So the second partition. So I don't want like two partition like locally COD. I want one partition. So I'm going for one. And next, and it will start installation process. It might not take a lot of time because the hard drives are not the normal hard drives. And let's see, I'll let it get installed. We will wait for it to get installed. It's been already great to see getting ready sign from Windows 10. I don't know why, but every time Windows installations feels good to me. Not just Windows, do Linux also feels good to me. I'm not a big fan of Windows, but I'm also a big fan of Linux as well. My most of the time goes on Linux uses. Very less I use Windows. It says getting ready, but it's taking a long. Oh, you listen. Yeah, cool. Okay, two boots. Okay, just look back. Now it's great. Just a moment. La, 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 la. Come on. Okay, here we are. And let me give my region. Okay, India. Now, yes, add layout skip. You can add that layout. And at this point, if you are set up the Proxmox, I don't have to say that how to install the Windows 10 the setup procedure. You just here to know like um, how to set up all the things to get started with Windows installation. And if you are now till here watching, then thumbs up, and you can for now you are going to get the bonus, because how would you like to set up if you are here and if you are setting something like a alien vault or something, then you can set it up with what should I say in organization. And if you are using a Windows administrator sorry Windows server or something, then set up it for organization, so you can manage two or three windows. And if you wanted to see the active directory and do all the research, and if you want to set up such type of environment, then you can set up with organization. Or if you just want to do some casual work, so do some testing on Windows 10 Pro, so I will be suggesting you to go for personal use if you don't have such use like Windows Server use or anything sort of that. I'm gonna use the personal use. Okay, that's it. And here you can add your account, your Microsoft account, but I'm gonna use the offline account. And it says that you are gonna have a limited range, so I said that get it now. But it says that go for online, no, offline account, limited experience, name, name, password, no. I will add the password later. Don't want these shitty things. Advertisement ID. Fuck off. With the advertisement ID, they just track you. I don't like it. In some cases, Windows Windows 10 is just like it just keep on tracking you, and it's fair in a business like you are using an operating system and the company is like tracking you for the advertisement. It is giving you the option, but in hacking world you know better what I mean. It's just not up to the point. We will have a long discussion on this later. So it just says that this might take several minutes. Okay, almost there. Okay, let's start it. And here we are. Oh, this fucking shit. Internet Edge, Microsoft Edge. I do this all the changes while I install a new operating system, uh, just specific to Windows 10. So I just check all the updates, and I know that there will be some update. The necessary updates will be gonna apply uh, on this board while installation, and now it will going to download all the packages, and yes, it will not affect my stream because I have a good connection. So that's it for installation of Windows 10, and hope you all guys like get it what I'm trying to say while installation. Do remember to do its setup while the CD DVD drive will be IDE, and no issue in that. Well, I will change the processor to 8 processor, might possible. So that's it, guys. Have a nice day, have a peaceful day, and till that time, peace. It's just a new stream, so bear with me. So I'm doing all the changes, and that's it. You can follow me on the Twitter. Do follow me. I will you can ask any of the questions or doubts on that Twitter handle. So follow me on Twitter, and if you do use it, else no issue. Have a nice day. Bye.